Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Eric, also known as Dad Hats on the internet, and today we're back at NJMP. And I have to give a special little shout out to Mike for being so kind to lend me his spare tires. So today we are going to be running the Nankang CRS, which I believe are in a 245/40/17, which is going to be not only my first time trying this tire, we are also trying 17s when normally I run 18s. So that should be pretty interesting. Yeah, let's hop into the video.
These feel like they grip more than my kumhos. They definitely seem to warm up faster. These feel sharp. I feel like I get less feedback. We shall see.
Up ahead, we're actually going to have to take evasive action. So not because of the car ahead of us, thankfully, but look right on the racing line. Of course, there's debris right on the racing line. Thankfully, we were already going slow enough to give the point by to the Porsche, so we were all good. Obviously, someone is having a very tough day because there's even more debris up ahead.
Dude, what is going on? Where are the black flags? There's the black flag. This is just my luck, dude. Gotta love running late into a black flag. Well, I warmed up the tires, if nothing else. I need to go a little bit quicker to be able to actually feel what they feel like at the limit. I wasn't sure how these heat up, so I was taking extra careful. I also haven't been here in a while. Alright, let's do this again. Being able to actually feel the rotation under braking is so fun. I miss this so much. Dude, a 16.6 with kind of just warming up, man. That felt really solid. That's a good sign for later.
So I actually decided to keep it in fourth here, and it's definitely quicker on entry, but slower on exit. And it's quicker on entry just because it's more stable. When I shift to third there, the car really wants to rotate, and that's something you can definitely take advantage of. But in this scenario, it seemed like I was more confident in fourth gear, so I kept it there. I keep going back and forth on whether I think it's better. That's something I'm gonna have to dig through the data to kind of figure out. So I was absolutely cooking through the first two corners, but I actually carried just a bit too much speed here, and you can see me push wide. So I kind of missed my apex, and that kind of set me off a little bit, and I lose a little bit of time through here.
said you were smoking.
Am I?
Yeah.
I haven't seen it.
Exhaust.
Okay.
So I'm gonna check you out real quick.
Please do. Thank you.
Can you pull up for me a little bit so I can see if anything is leaking on the ground? Yeah, you're dripping oil.
Oil?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just gonna send you back to the paddock.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Dripping oil.
So at this point, I'm thinking, what else could go wrong? I just had a flat tire my last track day at Pocono, and now my car wants to off itself. Very cool. So as you can see, we decided to tow the car home. I wanted to play it safe because I didn't know what was wrong with it. When we did get it checked out, it turns out that my car was spewing diff oil everywhere. So it seemed like it just kind of overheated, and it probably needed to be changed, so that's probably user error, if we're being honest here. So took it to the shop, got that fixed up, and we're actually good to go for my next track day. So that has already happened as I'm recording this, and everything has been all good since. So thankfully no major issues, just a little bit inconvenient. Yeah, but I think that's everything for this video. For the next one, I actually drive Mike's GR86, so shout out to Mike for tossing me the keys there, and that's going to make for a great video. So, we'll see you guys there. Peace.